the start of this year, I had some pretty bad grades. The type of grades that don't seem that bad at the beginning of the year, but you know you can't keep getting 63s on your tests. And I've always had pretty good grades, so it's not that I don't know how to get good grades, it's just I needed to make an academic comeback. After the first quarter, so halfway through this semester of school, I had 3 pretty bad B's, and the rest of my grades were just barely A's. But as of the day I'm posting this video, or filming it today, I just barely missed out on straight A's. I needed a 97 on my physics final to get them, and I didn't get it.
Fuck you.
But I just fixed a few simple things, and my grades started to rapidly improve in just the last couple of months. And as I keep doing them into next semester, I have no doubt that I can achieve my academic goals by May. But simply put, the real problem with me at the start of the school year was that I was studying the wrong things the wrong way. If you were to see me studying for a test like a year ago, you would either A, see me not studying, or B, see me studying things I already knew. I'm already good at memorizing things, and at the beginning of the school year, I would just keep studying like memorization. But we had so little like memorization-based quizzes that it made up like none of my grade, and the rest of the tests I just bombed. If I knew all of chapter 1 for my physics quiz, I would just not study any of chapter 2 and keep studying chapter 1 because it was more fun. I would get all the practice questions right. But when it came to the test, I would just fail chapter 2. You need to focus on your weaknesses. Don't waste any more time studying your strengths because you already know them. I can't give you exact areas to study because your weaknesses are going to be different from mine. I can't just say like, I just started studying math more and boom. Even if it's an area that you don't really know, a weakness, but it only has like one question on the test, there's no point in studying it because it's still not worth it. For finals week, all of my teachers gave me like these massive packets of study guides. So the only reason I did good on the finals is because I went through them and answered all the questions that I like knew for sure, and then just studied the concepts that I didn't know. And if there was a concept that only had like one question in the study guide, then I would save that for last because it's just not as important. If it's not important enough to get even a mention in the study guide, then it's not important enough for you to be studying. Damn, bars. But once you have all the concepts that actually matter, the things that are the most bang for your buck, the ones that actually matter towards your grade, study them throughout the day so that they really stick. If you want to change your grades, you have to change the way that you get them. And here's how you do that. So I'll see you after school's over, hopefully with straight A's. So make it happen.